and Kunu. Next, defense. Good morning, Your Lordship, my colleagues at the side of prosecutions, the accused people, you people of South Sudan. This is Advocate Fergeri Raymond Lienge in the presence of my colleagues, Advocate Kurru Al-Kur, Advocate Anis Tombe, Advocate Deng John Deng, Advocate Warnyang, Kir Warnyang, and Advocate Regina Kriudeng. Yes. Thank you. All the accused are present? I think the accused should be put in order according to the
ne teach network dien che jek na bukule nyok lu ni jen jokon tam network dien che jek so dia jabe ban gor na me gwa ko bu konti ke ngi kamadan le ro kwa semene let's see muda kan kanu kan live katin but chana mandan and chalat gwa chan jamin kel ko ste di kan galat gwa semene to ko de kan yo kel.
We have also a number of other colleagues also covering entirely this very special event for us. So allow me to submit this response in written, and we request from your Honor Court this submission be written by our team.
Kane raja chalat ke jembe kana magwasana me chaga jugo ne yen ya warga be submit
May it please this court, the presiding justice. Yes. We want to at the attendance first. The attendance. to give us your attendance, the two parties. Then I should idea. Consider Minister of Justice, thank you. And the president of the investigator and the complainant. Thank you. Next, defense. Good morning, Your Lordship, my colleagues at the side of prosecutions, the accused people, you people of South Sudan. This is Advocate Torgeri Raymond Lienge, the lead of defense, in the presence of my colleagues, Advocate Kurru Al-Gur, Advocate Anis Tombe, Advocate Deng John Deng, Advocate Warnyang, Kir Warnyang, and Advocate Regina Kriudeng. Yes. Thank you.
What can I shoot Ken?
All the accused are present? Yes. The first I think the accused should be put in order according to the
network dien ngora take correction ma len kor ma gwasa ma te ngwan long to ngota lat karo dien to goro dong baling, so maybe gwada chi right no yo ke chitin ngwan chi read yo then by the information, full information ko tem ja Georgia no ken jatel ne mo return wana money no ane bana le jagwa sin be be content ko lar bana kala ling right now, and then bana chunga wena me ko chi live broadcast down let ken kita dan non kan do live ko je chi network dien che jerk chi network dien che gwa gore je no dong right now che Georgia no tell clear information magwa no can take a technical glitch lo chang ta dan de je linga je on live teleje ko dene dial de kulte ngaitin batte Georgia no cha no jo me cha jeling so jen gwadan bane kap chungtin later dong michiga take information mo gwa michile ben, and then kecha all the data je ko collect bagal no ya ta dan dong de kon linga je won ni tam ba wode yo ka ta ker wo ta wal kel wo ta woro den bi tong ni dol bane no bane je gwal dan dong yo